This is a luxurious 5-star, all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Ayia Napa. The resort boasts an expansive property predominantly dominated by a massive swimming pool. Surrounding the pool, you'll find rooms that provide direct access to the water, a pretty cool feature. However, it's worth noting that the resort isn't situated right on the beachfront. You'll need to take a short 5-minute stroll to reach the renowned Nissi Beach, Cyprus's most famous shoreline. This might be seen as a minor inconvenience. On the positive side, the resort offers excellent entertainment options for children, particularly those aged 8, 9 and below. Nevertheless, if you have older kids, they might find themselves less engaged. Also, the adult evening entertainment options are somewhat lacking. In our assessment, the price of a stay at this resort leans towards the higher end. For the same cost, you may consider reserving a similar 5-star, all-inclusive resort offering a superior level of service. Nonetheless, the resort excels in its culinary offerings, especially at the Green and Grill bar, where the food is tastier compared to the main restaurant. In any case, the Atlantica Aeneas resort ranks among the top 5 family-friendly hotels in Ayia Napa.